Meaning of immanent.
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 Immanent. The term immanent refers to something that is inherent or present within the context or framework of a particular system, entity, or situation without need for external intervention. It signifies the existence of an inherent quality or characteristic that is intrinsic to an object or concept. In general, immanent is used to describe something that is existing within and throughout the entirety of a particular system or entity, rather than something that is external or separate from it. Overall, the term immanent points to the idea of an internal presence that is essential to the structure and nature of a given subject.